everyone, we're going to graph this system of inequalities by hand. I want to solve this first one by for y. So I'm going to divide both sides by x, and you get 4 over x. This is a rational function, so that should be easy to graph. So let's graph both of these. The first one we had is y is greater than or equal to 4 over x. Knowing that this is the parent function equals 1 over x, we know what that looks like by the time it looks like that. But with the 4 makes it a stretch. So the easiest way to graph those is you take this 4 and you go to 1. If you plug in 1, it goes up 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go up 1. All right. So these are the 4. It's stretching out. So basically when you graph it, it goes like this. Something like that. Okay? Okay, and you also have to do it for quadrant 3. So we're going to go to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 1. And then go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left 1. And then just kind of go by the parent function. Oh, there we go. Something like that. And our second equation was y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 1. That's a quadratic with the vertical shift up by 1. So I'm going to go up by 1. And then 2 goes to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's symmetric. So I just line everything up. So it's something like that. It's hard to draw on this. Okay. So there it is. So now what we need to do is shade properly. So for this one it says y is greater than 4 over x. So we want to plug in values. If it's, we plug in 0, well we can't plug in 0, so let's plug in 1. 1 comma 1 here. And see if we're shading down. Again, we're doing this one. I should have did this in purple. So if I plug in 1, I get 1. Is that greater than or equal to 4 over 1? No. So what we're going to do is, instead of shading down from here, we're not going to do that. We're going to shade up. So this is shading up in here. All right. Now for this one, it says y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 1. So if I plug in, let's plug in 0, 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 0 squared plus 1? No, it's not. So instead of shading down, we're shading up. So if you shade up on this, let's see, if you shade up, you get in here. Now the only where that it's crosses is right in this area here. So right in here is where the shading coincides with one another. So basically, our shading is right in here. All right, maybe you should erase these. All right, and that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.